Now this is something a little bit exciting, a little bit different. It's a 20-foot Atlantic Endeavour. This one comes with a bush pack. So they've optioned it up with a bush pack, and that means that you've got the off-road hitch, you've got different suspension, you've got the box here, you've got the jerry can holders there. So it's semi-off-road, which is really good. But the other thing is, it's got extra bunks in it as well. So it's a family van, semi-off-road. You don't have to have the semi-off-road. You can have it if you want to order one. You can have it with normal suspension or with the semi-off-road, but come and have a look. So you've got some tunnel boot area there, which is excellent. And you've got the picnic table here. You've got all your power on the outside, which is nice. You've got the awning, you've got your lighting. And then when you come inside, you're going to be really impressed. Oh, the inside on this is so nice. Beautiful bed area. Look at the light, because you've got wonderful skylight here, beautiful windows coming across. That's excellent. And you've got the storage underneath the bed. Over here is the clever part though, because you've got a Butte semi-club lounge. But this table is so clever because you've got the two beds there, and then this table can lower down. And your cushion goes on top of that and becomes an extra bed. So if you need an extra bed, it's there, but there's more to come yet. But if you come across to the kitchen, this is where it gets really clever, because you've got a beautiful sink area, beautiful prep area. But if you are prepping and you're doing something really good, this table, I'll just swing you around, this table can come across, you can use that closer for that. And then in here is another prep area again. So your bench space has just increased enormously. Isn't that thoughtful? I think so. Shut that through. Where it gets really clever though is that you've got the double bed there, another bed here, but you've got two more bunks. So this van, you can have this particular van, or you can order your own. And if you order your own and you want 3 bunks, you can do that as well. Let me show you the bathroom and the bunk area. Now this is really clever because you've got the privacy door here that comes across, and then you have a toilet area in here with vanity. That's good, that's already got its own exhaust fan. And then in here, we have the full standalone shower, which is really good because that has its own exhaust fan as well. And then importantly, you've got these 2 bunks here. So they've got storage under here. This is storage for the bunks. And then another storage cupboard here and another one here. So each bunk has its own storage. And then each bunk also has its own reading lamp and 12-volt points as well. So you've got it all. And each bunk has its own window. So very, very thoughtfully planned, very cleverly done. You contact us now and you can have this one, or we can order one for you.